Good morning, and welcome to your daily Farm and Home Show, brought to you by the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. And now, here's your host.
Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and this morning we're visiting with Miss Kristi Shive. She's a Family Consumer Science Agent here in Warren County, co-host of Farm and Home, but it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
It is, yes, Joanna. We have something exciting coming up.
Yeah, so you guys have a class to kind of help people maybe create their own Christmas magic.
That's right. Getting into the holiday spirit, we are having a wreath making workshop. And it's going to be really exciting because we have some master gardeners leading the program. So it will be a lot of fun, but also educational.
Absolutely, and I love this time of year because these wreaths are made with natural greenery. They smell amazing.
They do, and if you've never worked with fresh greenery, you are really in for a treat because we are going to have different varieties and you're going to get to kind of make your own. You get to put your own twist on it, and it's going to be on Tuesday, December 10th. So you're going to get to enjoy it up until Christmas and even on after.
Absolutely. But Kristi, these wreaths, they're quite expensive. So is there a fee to come to this class?
Yes, so the cost is $25 per wreath, but that includes everything that you will need for the workshop. So we are going to use a 12-inch wreath form, and it will include all your fresh greenery. Of course, this is not real, but the day of, we will have wonderful, a variety of fresh greenery, and it'll also include a handmade bow by our homemakers.
I was about to say, I saw that you had this ribbon here, and I'm not real crafty, so I was kind of like, I don't know if I can make my own bow.
Yes, so no worries, you don't have to make your own bow. We are going to have the bows already made, and so it is just going to be a beautiful piece to hang on your front door, wherever you'd like, and it's going to be a fun holiday themed day because so many of us love to get into the holiday spirit by doing holiday themed activities, and this is a great day. So we do have 2 class times for the workshop. The first one will be from 10 to 12, and the second one will be from 2 to 4. So whichever one works best for you, give us a call. We do have limited spots available, so make sure to call our office, make sure to RSVP, and we do ask you to RSVP by December 3rd. That way we make sure that we have plenty of greenery, plenty of items for you. And if you have a pair of garden gloves, we do ask for you to bring those as well. But Joanna, I have some pine cones here just to show that we are going to be using anything we can get our hands on to add to our wreaths.
Yeah, to kind of embellish the wreath. Now, Kristi, this sounds like a great event, maybe to bring a girlfriend or maybe your mom even too. Is this open to anybody who would like to attend?
Yes, it is open to anyone, and I do know a few people who are kind of making it a date day.
Yeah.
So many of us think of date night, but this is a really good opportunity to do something in the day. Anybody is it's open to anyone to come.
Okay, and so I mentioned earlier that I'm not real crafty. So there's going to be people there to help me, so I shouldn't feel intimidated at all. I have I don't have to bring any skills to the table, right?
You just have to bring your $25 for the class. Even if you forget your garden gloves, we will have some for you to share. But yes, we are going to be introducing the class with a PowerPoint. We will have master gardeners who are professionals. They are the masters. They will be there to help you. So please don't feel intimidated. And we will also be telling people how to care for their wreaths after they take it home. Yes. So we will be educating you on how to care and help make your wreath last as long as possible. That way it can get into, make it all the way to Christmas and maybe even a few days after.
Yeah, because proper care is important to get that, especially depending on where you hang it. But I remember helping gather the greenery one year for this workshop, and my whole car, it seemed like smelled like Christmas.
Yes, that is such a benefit of using fresh greenery, is the wonderful smell. It's beautiful. It's it just makes you feel like Christmas.
And you can be so proud
Yes.
that you made it. You put it
Yes.
together. You can kind of have your own design with your own embellishments on
Yes,
there.
absolutely. So we are eager to get people to join.
All right, Kristi, well, thanks for the information. If you would like to make your very own wreath, make sure to get signed up at the Warren County Extension Office. Thanks and have a great day.
If you have questions about today's topic, please call the Warren County Extension Office at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.